Guys, it's Nikki and Watson, and we're here because it is Stitch Fix Day. And before we jump into the box, I just wanted to thank all of you for watching, and please subscribe if you've not already done so. I do these unboxing videos for Stitch Fix only at this point. I'm considering doing one for another service just to test it out, but basically I focus on doing these for Stitch Fix. So I'm going to jump in now, see what I got, and then we'll do some other stuff. And we're gonna go ahead and open this box. For those of you who have not watched me before, I'm Nikki, this is Watson, and I used to be a stylist for Stitch Fix. I am no longer styling for them. However, I love the company, and I am going to keep doing these unboxing videos. So this will be the second fix that was styled by someone else for me. So let's see what's in it. Watson's already bored. Okay, can you see the colors in there? Okay. So let me just be honest, I did peek this time. I will continue to peek going forward. So I did. So I kind of know what's in here, but I haven't seen it in real life. Here we go. Okay, so this first item here is the pink clover, I think it's Delino raglan knit top. This is kind of a, I don't know, cotton blend top with the sort of gray material. I don't know. It's a mixed material top with floral sleeves. Okay, so that is what this shirt is. I'm gonna be honest, when I saw this one, I was, and you should never be, but I was kind of disappointed because it's not really my style. But when I see it now, it's got some really pretty colors, and so I'm definitely going to give this a shot. And we will see. Okay, on to the next. Okay, so this is, I don't even know if I can find the tag. I know it's by Sweaty Betty, and it is a Namaska performance knit top. Okay, so it's got like 4 straps, a built-in sports bra, and that's what the back looks like. I don't know if this will work for me. Usually these types of built-in bras don't work, and I don't know. We will see. I'm going to try this on. Okay, so I asked for an athleisure look, so you can keep that in mind while I go through the rest of this. Okay, so the next thing here is the Cotton Emporium Simo 2-pocket cardigan. I don't even know what this color would be. Brown in an extra small. So it's got the pockets in the front. There's kind of a straight sleeve, straight back, and it's a little heavier than some, so I will give this a shot. I have a cardigan somewhat similar to this color. I think you probably saw that in one of my prior videos, but this one is much heavier and I think a little bit shorter, so we'll give that a shot. And actually, this next item here, which is a pair of Spanx leggings. Let's see what these ones are called. These are Spanx, the lacy or lace printed legging. And they do have a really, I don't know if you guys can see this very well, like a subtle leopard pattern. I mean, it's not subtle, but I feel like it's not like right in your face either. I really don't know what I feel like about this pattern. So these are the leggings, and so I have a feeling, I'll read her note, that these, this, and this will be going together for that athleisure look. So I will try them on that way, but I should also look at the card. Okay, the last thing here is a pair of the T4T, the Annie drawstring jogger pants in black, extra small. So yeah, I'm not sure. They're kind of different material. I don't know, let's see. I'll try these on as well. So these are the 5 items, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a try on. We'll see if Watson wakes up, and then I will come back and do a wrap up and share the prices and what I'm thinking of keeping. Okay, so this is the top by Pink Clover. I think it's like a raglan top in gray. This is an extra small. So first off, I have to say, surprisingly, I do like it more than I thought I would. I really actually like the color on the sleeves. If you can kind of see, it's like a sort of a blush rose color with a little bit of light blue, but it's right now just seeing any sort of color is really nice. So I definitely like that. It's extremely lightweight. So again, to me, this is like wearing a t-shirt basically. And then it does have this like bottom hem, but so first of all, I really do like it, but I think, I don't know, it's a little bigger than I'd like to fit. It's just like, I don't know how to describe it. It's probably hard to see on camera, but it's just like a little looser in the body, but at the same time, it makes it really comfortable. So, so yeah, I would love your opinion on this because I am 100% on the fence. It's just not something I would normally wear, but I can see it being comfortable. So again, this one, I would love your feedback and opinion. All right, so these are the black joggers from T4T, and they're really cute, really, really lightweight. They're made out of like some kind of modal synthetic material, very, very lightweight. They're kind of a dressier version with these, they got, sorry, you can even see the pockets in the back here. So I do not like how these fit on me. They're just not my style. I think it might be because of my height. They're like, I don't know how to explain. I don't like how they're hitting at the bottom, and then when I pull them up even a little bit, like, I don't know. Anyway, these are the joggers. I think they're really cute, but these are just not something I need right now. I've got lots of joggers and leggings, and these just aren't my favorite. But if you're looking for a pair of sort of dressier joggers, and you like the lightweight fabric, and maybe you're a couple of inches taller than me, I think these might be great. So now I'm going to actually try on the other athleisure outfit. Okay, so this is the leggings, which are Spanx and are, I will tell you, I don't remember the exact details about them. These are $68. So again, these have that kind of, this like subtle sort of leopard print. What I like about it is subtle enough that it could match with a few different things. Then I also have on the cardigan that she sent, and it's really good with the pants, so kudos to her for putting together this. The cardigan feels a little big. Oh, actually, I forgot. I don't have on the Sweaty Betty shirt, and this is why. It will not go on to my body. It won't. Also, it does have a couple of deodorant stains on it, so, but it won't even fit over my head. So that is why I have on my own black tank top with this, but I just want to kind of show the look that she was kind of trying to go with. So let me know what you think about this cardigan. Like I said, I like it because it's heavier than other cardigans. The length is always a little hard on me because I'm so short, but the pockets are nice. It's cozy. I have one that's kind of similar. So anyway, I'd love your feedback on this, and I don't know that I would necessarily wear this black shirt underneath. I might wear a black shirt, but a little bit dressier. But there's clearly a way to, dress these down. I've got like a sort of black athletic jacket that I could wear with them and a pair of tennis shoes, but also you can dress it up, obviously, with booties and a cardigan that's just a little bit too big. So I would love your feedback on this one too, because this is also not something that I thought, that I would like at all. So would love your feedback on this one. Very, I don't know, just not necessarily my color scheme, not sure. So anyway, I'm gonna go back in, then I'll get out here and do a recap of everything and let you know what I think I'm keeping and prices. Okay, so we've tried everything on, and I forgot to show you at the beginning, they include the postage paid return envelope for anything that you either need to exchange or return. And then I do have my style card as well as the price sheet. So, actually, I will look at this quickly to see. Okay, this was styled by Tiffany. So, that's her name. I think she did a good job. And then let's just go through the prices really quickly because I think I set them on a few things. But the black drawstring pants by T4T, these are $44. I'm not getting these. They don't fit me right, but really cute. The Sweaty Betty, the performance knit top, this one is $65, extra small. I would encourage you to size up. Next is this pink clover raglan knit top with the flowers on the sleeves. Again, I'm totally torn on this one. I can see it being something that I could throw on with jeans in the summer, but at the same time, I am not a huge floral person, so would love feedback on this one. That one's undecided. Then I've got the two other things on. So the leggings are the Spanx, I think they're lace or lacy printed leggings, and they are $68. So that's how much they cost. And then this Cotton Emporium cardigan in brown is $44. So actually, I don't think the cardigan's too bad. It's like, I wish it was a little bit smaller, but it's cozy, and I think my issue right now is I don't want to wear any more cardigans. I don't want to wear brown. I want to wear colors. I would like the outside to have color. I want color. Okay, so I pretty much this whole box I'm a little bit undecided about. I know for sure I'm not keeping the leggings or the Sweaty Betty top, but give me your feedback on the cardigan, the other leggings, and the other things I asked for feedback on. If you have not already done so, please subscribe. I will be doing another video probably in about 7 days or so because I'm a little bit behind. So you can watch that one. Have a great week, and I will see you in 7 to 10 days.